Like I said, guys, I saw both bobbers go down. So I think something's gonna be on this one. Got him. Sorry if you guys can't see this as well. I know it's really sunny right now. But I'm just getting all my supplies ready. Ooh, another big fish, guys. Very nice looking brown trout. Very nice looking brown trout. I've been doing really well recently at Round Valley. Gorgeous looking fish. Looks exactly like a fish I caught a couple weeks ago. Ah, there it is. And yeah, has a jaw tag too. As you can see, guys, this is the fish. Beautiful looking brown. As you can see in the corner of its mouth, it has a nice little jaw tag on it. Let me give it a few seconds. Let me see if I can get the sucker out. But if not, I'm probably just gonna release the fish again. So what I learned from my mistake last time is always get your pliers. Oh, looks like this guy. Oh no, I can't get the hook out. There's the hook. Oh, oh. Now let me see if I get this tag out. There it is. So in dealing with the jaw tag itself, this is the third jaw tag trout I caught, and I still have zero clue how to catch it or get rid of these things. I want to say I just have to bend it. Oop. Look at this fish, guys. It's gorgeous. Big brown. Let me try something real quick. I'm going to try bending this piece of metal. See if I could get it. This thing, ooh. Just doesn't look like it's coming out. Give me one more second. Okay, there's the thing. So the problem is, guys, this is a hard piece of metal. Obviously it's put in place so this thing doesn't come out on its own. And I was Googling this last time I caught a jaw tag. They're meant so you kill the fish, get these things out. Like, they obviously don't want the jaw tag just popping out on its own. Give it 3 more seconds. You know what? I can't get this sucker out. But beautiful fish. Let me try a quick revive real quick. Gorgeous. Swims off. If any of you guys know how to get these jaw tags out, please tell me. Because that's the third jaw tag trout I caught. Still can't get them out. Catch you guys later. Hey guys, something just took my rod. As you can see, it's freaking out right now. Whew. Just got in time. That's the only problem about fishing this style. Sometimes your rod just goes almost in the water. I hope you guys can see this in the glare of the sun. The good looking fish. At first when I saw this, I thought I was seeing things. Because I saw the bobber go down for a few seconds. And this looks like a rainbow. I was wondering when the rainbows are, guys. Haven't caught one in a while. There we go. Very nice looking rainbow trout, guys. Pretty colors and put up a pretty good fight. Almost lost my rod. I have lost one of my rods by fishing this style. That's why you always have to keep an eye on it. Quickly grab the pliers. Last look at the fish, guys. Very nice looking. And the quick release like always. Gained a new friend on land. Oh, let me bring this guy out to the water. 2 trout. Very nice way to start a day. Catch you guys later. Hope I catch another one.